everybody, what's going on? This is Trent with All Things Automotive. I wanted to thank you for shopping. Thank you for clicking that play button. Today we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited. This vehicle does have a clean Carfax. One previous owner, is equipped with a 3.6 liter V6. Has a lot of options. This is going to be the perfect car for vacations if you're on the road a lot, where comfort meets performance, meets everything. So I'm going to go over some of the features, advantages, and benefits of this vehicle other than the beautiful exterior here, nice burgundy color here. Let's start walking around. Okay, I'm going to show you the front here. Nice chrome grille inserts here with your 7 slotted Jeep grille, and then you have your lower grille insert there. It does have fog lights integrated into the lower bumper, as you can see. Nice bright high intensity headlights here, so very safe on the road. Will keep you alert at night. Very bright. All right, like new tires all the way around. Michelin's, as you can see. Shiny new rotor here. We do take pride in our reconditioning here at All Things Automotive with like new tires, brakes, rotors, fresh oil change, and the PA state inspection. Okay, before we get into the diagnostic check sheet here, I'm going to take a look at the turn signal indicator integrated into the mirror cap here. I do apologize. Okay, and then you do have passive door entry here on this nice chrome door handle. Again, very cohesive here. Your chrome on the outside has just enough to make this vehicle stand out. Let's look at this beautiful interior on this limited trim. Okay, you have a couple things going on here. On the door card specifically, you have tan leather. You do have dark ash faux wood, chrome accents, brushed aluminum, and as you can see, that's going to continue throughout the entire interior of the vehicle. Nice tan leather seats, super comfortable. Okay, you have your upgraded 21 model infotainment center with a high gloss black here, and we'll take a look at all those features here in just a second. But I did want to show you the used car mechanical check sheet that we provide with all our vehicles here at the dealership. So like new tires all the way around, brake pads are good, everything is green, good to go, and we make sure that you don't have to pay into the wearable shortly after purchasing the vehicle. We do put a lot of time and effort into that. We have an amazing reconditioning team here at All Things Automotive. Taking a look in the rear, again, beautiful leather seats here, cup holder to keep the kids at bay, keep them separated. You do have a 115 volt right here for extra power, 2 USBs, and a flow-through center console. So you're going to be charged and connected and comfortable at all times. Again, that dark ash faux wood continues with your chrome and your brushed aluminum. Making our way to the lift gate here. It is an automatic lift gate assist. So I just hit that button, you stand back and watch that magic happen. Plenty of cargo space back here, guys. And you do have a 12 volt back here, so if you're tailgating or camping, or you're just on the road and you need to hook something up there via 12 volt, it's very convenient. Nice storage compartments down here. Full-size spare, jack and accessories, and you do have, if you do need more cargo space, which I don't know why you would, this is plenty. Very, very spacious for a mid-size SUV here. You do have an 80-20 split on those seats, and they will fold flat, guys, so you will be definitely happy with the cargo space you get. I just hit that button there. Lift gate's going to go down. It is equipped with remote start as well. Here's just a peek into the driver rear. Again, nice bright LED lighting all the way around, so that's a nice touch as well, as you can see. Passive door entry here. You have all your power door options right here, locking, your mirror adjustments right here, and you do have power seat adjustments here and lumbar support, as you can see. You still have the foot emergency brake here, fuel door release, lighting options here, and your brightness and dimming controls for your center clusters. So let's take a look. Okay, this is a push button start, so we'll go ahead and start it as long as our proximity key is with us. Like I said, you will get 2 keys for your added convenience. A couple options on here, lock, unlock, lift gate, and then you do have your remote start as well, and your panic. But don't panic, because it's a great day. As you can see, just over 18,000 miles, and let's take a quick peek at the Carfax 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited. Clean Carfax, one owner. You can't get any better than that, guys. This interior is very well maintained, no odors, rips, stains, tears, or anything like that. So if you're looking for a new car for a pre-owned price, give us a call here at All Things Automotive. Let's take a look at some of the options on the steering wheel here, guys. You do have a control pad for your center clusters here. One thing I love about Jeep, especially for the 21 models and on, Very nice clean display here. They've always done a great job with the graphics here. It doesn't look cheap. Definitely looks a little bit luxury, but very easy to view, very crisp and clean graphics. I'm not sure if that's a weird thing to like about a vehicle like this, but I enjoy the graphics that Jeep puts in their displays here. Okay, and as you can see, you can display all kinds of vehicle information right here. I'm just using my pad right here. There's your hands-free as far as being connected via Bluetooth. And then here's your cruise control. Okay, let's take a look at this infotainment center here. Nice large display here. It does have a backup camera with your guidance lines right there. All powered by Uconnect. So you have your apps right here, which you can download, customize. A lot of different things you can do on this tech-wise, Wi-Fi hotspot, everything like that. One cool thing is there's no hard button for the heated seats or heated wheels, but it is integrated right here into the display, as well as the climate if you don't want to use the climate down here. There's some of your radio controls and your climate controls right here. I wanted to go over a couple of options right here. This is your parking sensor on and off, okay, so you can turn them on or off. That is your auto start and stop. You can also turn that on and off. That's your eco mode. So eco mode will shut down some of your cylinders, make for a more fuel efficient drive. And then you have your sport mode, which makes for a more aggressive drive if you need to pass somebody or if you just like to drive a little bit more aggressively. And there is your traction control on and off. Moving down here to the center console, you do have 2 USBs, an auxiliary, and a 12 volt, so you can definitely be charged and connected at all times. You should have enough charging stations here in this Jeep Grand Cherokee. Nice ergonomic shifter right here, nice leather wrap. Everything just feels super comfortable in this car. Okay, even the steering wheel, nice leather wrap. This is your shift differential here, so there's going to be different drive modes, and you do have a four-wheel drive low option there, and then your downhill descent control. And you do have a neutral button right there, so you can flat tow behind a motorhome, or if you're flat towing behind a car trailer or something like that. Okay, nice deep center console with LED lighting, which is pretty important. At night, that'll just be lit up. Very convenient for you. Another 12 volt down there. So like I said, this car is not without charging options, that's for sure. So as you can see, nice clean interior here, no rip stains, tears, or hurters. And we're going to go take a look under the hood. 3.6 liter V6. As you can see, nice clean engine bay, clear of exhaust, or oil leaks or anything like that. As I previously said, our crew does an amazing job of making these things ready for the next buyer. Just looks really nice, it does. Nice, healthy sounding V6 engine with Jeep Grand Cherokee. Enough power, but still fuel efficient. Next portion of the video, we're going to go over some of the imperfections this vehicle may or may not have. Keep in mind, it is a pre-owned vehicle. However, we like to make these vehicles as clean as possible here at All Things Automotive. I'm going to shut the vehicle off at this point, and we're going to walk around. Starting in the front here, we're going to take a look at some road chips right here in front of the hood, obviously. Normal wear and tear for road. It is a 21 with under 18, or just over 18,000 miles, but you are going to have some normal wear and tear here, all the way around to the like new Michelin tire. No curb rash on the wheel, shiny new rotor, everything's good there. The trim moldings are intact, they're not fading or anything. On the mirror cap, maybe a slight blemish there from some road wear. Other than that, the badging is intact, no chips or anything. Might be a little blemish right there under the seat of the Cherokee. I'm at the passenger side right now, working my way back. So we like to be as transparent as we can here at All Things Automotive. Trim continues to be well intact, very well maintained. There's your roof, so there's no deep scratches. I didn't notice any dents or dings. Okay. We do have an on-site professional for that. Paintless dent repair, one of the best in the business. So we do take pride in reconditioning here at All Things Automotive. As you can see, that it's very apparent here in this Jeep Grand Cherokee. Other than that, I didn't see anything that jumped out at me. If you have any questions, please give us a call here, 717-485-4224. Hit option 1 for sales. Or you can go to allthingsautomotive.com. Shop online 24/7. You can even get yourself pre-approved. And yes, we do take trades. We would love your trade. So just come on out to 21518 Great Cove Road, Collinsburg, Pennsylvania. Again, my name is Trent. Hope you found this video informational. Thank you and have a beautiful day.